on the breakfast edition of Tasty Time. You're welcome to this amazing episode where I'm going to be showing you how I prepare my chicken wrap. I am Michelle Abanom, and do not go anywhere. I'll be right back with the introduction of my already prepped ingredients. Welcome back, guys. So now let me show you a list of my already prepped ingredients. I have some diced onion, I have some cabbage and carrots mix, I have some green bell pepper, I have some beautifully seasoned chicken, I have some cheese here, I have some scotch bonnet pepper, I have some vegetable oil, I have ketchup, mayonnaise, some wraps, I have curry powder, I have some chili pepper, seasoning cubes, and of course, salt to taste. Now you have seen my already prepped ingredients, let me take you through this amazing, beautiful process. And trust me, it's just very easy. Okay, so first things first, we're going to add our vegetable oil. Allow this heat up. We don't need so much oil for this, so just add very little. Next, I'm going to throw in my beautifully chopped onion. Saute this for about a minute. And next on the list is my beautifully chopped scotch bonnet pepper. At this point, I'm going to throw in my shredded chicken. I'm going to throw in just half seasoning cube. Because like I said, my chicken has been seasoned already. I'm going to throw in some chili pepper and some curry powder just for more flavor. So guys, this is part 1 and part 1 is ready.
Powerful looks command respect, they say. The perfect body, the perfect grooming, and ultimately the perfect skin. Looks, style, and grooming makes the ultimate man. Found a ridiculously easy way to make my skin always feel epic. My name is Neo. I found Blemiville, and now my skin finally makes sense.
Okay, so guys, here is the part 2, the wrapping stage. So let's wrap our beautiful chicken wrap. Okay, first things first, I'm going to throw in, I love saying throwing in, it's fine, sure. Sure, put your cabbage and your carrots. This was supposed to go into the chicken, but then you can choose to do it this way if you want. If you're doing it this way, I suggest you cut it long. I'm going to add some cheese at this point. You guys, my hands has been properly washed, so please endeavor you wash your hands properly. If you're a ketchup lover, you should add ketchup at this point. If you're not, you don't need to. And also, I'm going to add some mayonnaise at this point. So finally, I'm going to add my chicken to this. And then add a little more cheese to this. Now it's time to wrap, guys. You have to be really careful. That's it for wrapping. Finally, the last stage, I'm just going to throw in some oil into this pan to grease the pan. And now I'm going to take my wrap and just put it in. You would have to reduce the flame to its barest minimum so it cooks properly. So guys, you know it is ready when your bread is hard, when the wrap is already hard. So guys, at this point you should know it's already cooked because the wrap is hard enough and it's really crunchy when you chew, and you can feel the hotness from inside, which means all the ingredients, they're like married to each other. So guys, this is the end of Tasty Time. We've come to the end of this episode of Tasty Time. Do not forget, you can always watch this episode on our YouTube channel at iBrandTV. And for more news, please visit our website at www.ibrandtv.com. Do not forget, COVID-19 is real, so please and please stay safe. I love you. Bye-bye.